Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the T900 Ultra and your phone. First, charge the watch to at least 50% to avoid shutdown during transfer. This prevents interruptions. Next, install the official companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth, storage, and notification permissions so the app can write faces. Make sure you have a wallpaper image sized to the watch resolution. Use 1080 x 1080 or 390 x 390 JPG. You now upload and adjust the wallpaper inside the companion app. Tap the watch face editor and select Custom Upload. Choose the image from your gallery. Crop to the circular preview and move the focal point where the hands or widgets appear, because proper framing prevents obscured time. Next, tweak brightness and contrast so icons remain legible under different lighting. Add overlays or time position presets the app offers. Then save the design as a new custom face so you can push it to the watch. You finish by syncing and verifying the new wallpaper on the T900 Ultra. Press the sync or send button in the app, then watch the progress indicator. When complete, verify time and widgets are visible on the watch screen. If the face fails to apply, reboot the watch and retry the sync. This clears temporary Bluetooth or cache issues. If cropping or alignment is off, resize the source image to the target resolution and re-upload. This ensures the visual fits the display and prevents clipped elements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.